again today, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button Part 2. Okay, so I am here again. Oh, we have to climb. We gotta climb. Now, Don't Press the Button. I just really love that game. Woo! What the? What? Press the button. Ooh, there's still scary lasers in here. But it's a good thing we're in a giant metal cage. Glass cage. Also, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on that notification bell so you wouldn't miss any more videos. And shout out to all these Robloxians in the giant glass cage with me. Money! On the side of the street. Oogie boogie. I'm gonna die. Okay. Here goes. Oh man, I died. Oogie boogie. Oogie boogie. Press the button, press the button, press the button. Oh no, I'm getting smaller. Press the button, press the button. We gotta press the button. Button, 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 button. Yes. Button. We have to press it. Come on, dude. What are you waiting for? Press the button. Oh. Gotta climb. We gotta go. Oogie boogie. Ah! Somebody pushed me. What the? Are we in heaven? Money! I just love when they make that cha-ching sound. It's amazing. Ooh, I need some new hair. Oh no, the water's rising! Oh no! Oogie boogie boogie! Oogie boogie! We have to get to safety quickly. Come on, you guys! No! Oogie boogie. Dogs! Oh my gosh, these doggies are so cute. Dogs! This is kind of like the useless web. Baldi! Ah! We gotta run. Freaking Baldi. Hiya! I killed Baldi. Ah! Oh no. We gotta go. It's coming. Nah. Tsunami. Superman, help us. Just kidding. There ain't no Superman. Ah! Jumpline! Why did I just say jumpline? No, come on! Ah! Money. Ah! There's a bus on the street! Ooh, good thing we all escaped. Why are you guys chasing the bus? What the? Oh, who's gonna get me? Who is getting me? Help, I don't understand. Okay, why are we in a cage? I'm so confused. Oh, a slide. We have to go through the slide, everybody. Boing. Oh, look at me. It looks like I'm having a seizure. I think this video is going to get pretty long, so I think we need one last task. Okay, and that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ah, there's a duck! Never mind. Fight to the death! Death, death, death! Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.